What you do is you use hyaluronic acid on a clean, damp face and then you seal it up with a moisturizer. When you do that, what you ensure is that hyaluronic acid does not absorb water from the deeper layers of skin, because that will leave your skin more dehydrated to begin with. Hence, when you use it on a damp skin, hyaluronic acid absorbs the water that is already present on the skin and it attracts water from the moisturizer which you have applied or sealed it with. People with dry skin can seal it off with an occlusive kind of moisturizer, and for people with oily skin, what you could do is you could use a silicone based moisturizers which would help you not to get that oiliness. Now, oiliness and hydration are two different things. Hence, hyaluronic acid is also suitable for people with oily skin. Oiliness comes from your sebaceous glands, which is the oil producing glands of the skin, whereas hyaluronic acid ensures that there is water content present in the skin.